digitization.
Hede ya kigomano giki kia mibango wa na mbere ya Kenya Convention kiria ni gya 17 mwena wa ni kaunti ya Kwale, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ugite ati kigomano giki giukite uriri bururi urathi na mbere na kugomerwo ni mbura ya Elnino na gucungiriria hathara nene kuna barabara nyingi ni ithukangitio ni mũiyũro wa maai, akenya ingi guthamio mĩciĩ-inĩ yao na guthukangio kwa indo cia mũingĩ hamwe na kugwa kwa manyũmba.
This convention takes place when Elnino is causing havoc across the country. Buildings have been marooned and road networks destroyed. Lives and livelihoods have been lost and others are at risk.
Nake gavana wa kaunti ya Kwale Fatuma Achani uria ukumagaritie munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ugite ati kaunti yake ni iragomeirwo muno ni mũiyũro wa mbura ya Elnino, indi ugate kaunti yake ni rebangite wega riu akiuga ati aikari a kaunti ya Kwale matire na thina o wothe.
Your Excellency, we were very much affected by the floods, lakini tumejipanga na tunashukuru. Tunaendelea kujipanga pia na national government pamoja, and we are in good, our people are safe.
Oho Gachagua ni oritia akenya metikire kwimenyerera makíria kumana na mũiyũro wa maai, akimoria riu matigetikire gukorwo magikira njũĩ riri cihurite.
I want to appeal to the people of Kenya to take care of their lives and to know that they have families and there are other people. If they don't care about themselves, there are people who care about them.
Gachagua no ongereire ati thirikari ni gathikite kigena kia bilioni 7 itemi-ini ria kuhe akenya irio aria magomeirwo makiria ni mbura ya Elnino.
Again, we have 7 billion Kenya shillings from the Civil Contingency Fund to intervene in terms of supply of food.
Oroho Gachagua ni ikitiarite na kuri magavana othe guku bururi-ini metikire kuhuthira kigena kiria magathikirwo ni thirikari wega niguo kuhonokio mioyo ya andu na kuria amoritie mambe marumbuie mioyo ya akenya handu ha gutwarithia tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere riria akenya ingi marathie na mbere na gute mioyo yao kumana na mbura ya Elnino.
And we are requesting governors to apply their minds and see what they can do with that money, what they can reallocate to save lives.
Hadoine ha Muthingi TV nie titagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.
Asanteni sana. May God bless you and bless your family. Thank you.